Hey everyone, want to create interactive study notes in NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your study materials into organized and easy-to-use learning notes step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and create a new notebook. Next, collect your study materials such as textbooks, lecture notes, PDFs, presentations, and other learning documents. Now upload your study sources into NotebookLM. Adding your own materials allows NotebookLM to create notes based on the information you actually need to learn. Once your files are uploaded, wait for NotebookLM to process and understand your sources. Next, ask NotebookLM to create summaries, key points, definitions, explanations, and important concepts from your study
Imagine
material.
discovering a
Create interactive notes by asking questions, exploring topics, and using follow-up prompts to understand difficult ideas. You can ask NotebookLM to generate flashcards, quizzes, study guides, and
imagine
frequently
discovering
asked questions to test your knowledge. Next, organize your notes by topic, chapter, or subject so you can quickly find important information during study sessions. Review the AI-generated notes and compare them with your original sources to make sure the information is accurate. Finally, use your interactive study notes for revision, exam preparation, and deeper understanding of your learning materials. And that's how to create interactive study notes in NotebookLM. By combining your own study resources with AI-powered tools, you can build a smarter learning system and study more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.